The National March for Life, one of the largest pro-life demonstrations in Europe, took place today in Warsaw, Poland. Crowds of joyful families with children. This is what the royal route in Warsaw looked like today. In today's world, we should show that we are pro-life and pro-family, if only because we are constantly bombarded with the message that the family is in fact something negative. The world is constantly trying to tell us this, so especially as young people, we should bear witness that life is a value, that family is a value, and that we should stand up for it, care for it, and nurture it, yes. Christianity is simply life. It is love, it is a community of people. It is seeing another person as someone close to you. The annual march is an affirmation of values and a strong resistance against attacks on the protection of life from conception, on marriage as a union between a man and a woman, on parents' rights to raise their children, including in schools, and on a culture with traditional values and models that encourage marriage, having children, and mutual love and fidelity. Because this is a demonstration for life, but also a testimony that we are a Christian nation, a beautiful celebration. It is necessary. We see how many of us there are. A beautiful celebration. Polish President Karol Nawrocki took part in the march. I am familiar with the great work of the organizers, which takes place throughout Poland, and I am encouraged by this march and these initiatives happening all over the country. How can we convince young people that family and faith are a source of peace and security, rather than a series of suffering and sacrifices? We asked the march participants this question as well. I think the most important thing is to convey this from the very beginning, for parents to pass this on, because that's what children remember most. In my opinion, above all, you have to lead by example and simply demonstrate it in everyday life. Openness is definitely needed too, and an understanding that this young person comes from different backgrounds and doesn't necessarily have to be like us. It's worth conveying a positive message, simply encouraging rather than lecturing. In the National March for Life, families with children manifest their faith and the value of life. Children are the joy and future of the nation, so we must take care of our children and hope there will be as many of them as possible. Mom, Dad, and 5 boys. That makes 7 of us. So what else? Maybe you could have another child? Well, everyone says that, right? When they see us, they ask, "Where's the girl?" But for now, this group of boys is just such a wonderful group. We'll see what the future brings. Well, but I guess it's not all that sweet. Yeah, there's a lot of energy, a lot of running around, a lot of sticks, a lot of looking after them, but also a lot of joy and happiness. This year's march is also a reminder that 1,060 years ago, after marrying Dobrawa, Mieszko I was baptized, thereby bringing Poland into the Christian cultural sphere. And although these values are under attack today, Christian culture is over 2,000 years old, and despite massive attacks from all sides, it is doing well, despite the fact that it is being destroyed, ridiculed, and vilified. It exists and has a future, because current ideologies have no future. Ma'am, if gender ideology were to prevail in a dozen or so or a few dozen years, Polish society would cease to exist. Fortunately, in the face of many threats, society is increasingly rejecting the easy and worthless counterculture, choosing the truth instead. This initiative certainly serves Poland and is, after all, a response to the deep demographic crisis. Today, the answer to many of Poland's problems lies precisely in Polish families, in our identity, and in remembering where we come from and where we are headed. The National March for Life is an affirmation of Christian values. It is a resounding yes to life from conception to natural death, a yes to family and family values, and a yes to a strong, independent Poland based on Christian values.